Yan.
I need a paper towel. Wait lang. Ay, sorry.
O, nasa na si Ate Seni? Cheers, Ate Seni.
Go.
Cheers for the good time, getaway, vacation,
Friendship.
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 Thank you for
Thank you for inviting us.
us, Gemma, in your home. Very nice.
Your
and
vacation home.
very nice of you.
You're welcome. Till next time.
Thank you. Alam nyo ba ang sarap ng kinain natin kanina, no? That fish was so delicious.
Yeah.
How about your plate?
I have a big platter, so I cannot finish it.
I know. You have to eat more, Ate Seni.
Oh, this is good.
It is good.
No, the
Mm-hmm.
Stella Rosa blackberry.
Yeah. There's so many flavor. The blueberry.
Yeah, pero I like blackberry and blueberry. I don't know that blueberry. Masarap.
Bugtan ka niya.
Mm-hmm.
Ano yan?
Yeah, very long.
Gusto ko yung my mint best one.
Go ahead.
Is this the coconut or the mint?
I think so. This is the coconut one.
The coconut?
This is very
Ano
good.
kaya yung may mint?
Baka lang.
Something with the mint.
May coconut. Ito yata may coconut.
I like the sweetness of this
Ano?
wine.
Masarap. I like it. Ano nga yan? Available ba yan sa any?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Kahit sa HEB? Okay. Kasi inaano ko lang pag yung nagugustuhan ko kay lasa. Pag hindi ako nakakatulog.
SED, Costco.
Sabi ni Lando,
Sam's Club.
ang dami mo nang nabuksan, tapos hindi mo naman nauubos.
Hindi panluto mo.
Ang pinaluluto ko yung white.
Pwede rin. Sa mga seafood. White wine is for
Oo,
seafood.
yeah. Yung white.
Red wine is for meat.
Ay, kung anong available na hindi lang ako yung sa bahay ba.
Pero some people, they don't care.
Sabi,
As long as there is wine, every meal.
noon sabi niya, bata pa si na Erica ni po. I don't know if it's New Year or something.
Ay, alam nyo, mag-live tayo. Kasi gising na ang mga tao sa Pilipinas.
Ay, oo.
Si Erica. Did you know that my dad and my mom let me drink wine? Sabi ko,